Hello, my name is Ayodele Akinwale. You are welcome back to my video. In my previous video, I've taken you through how the SAS environment is and all these icons. And now I want to take you through how to do the very first model which I have. I have here the HP regression. Keep on watching. In my previous video, I've discussed with you and showed you how this MS housing data was imported from the CSV file to SAS. So after we might have imported this, we'll now get our HP variable selection. This helps us to select the variables that are useful, that are very important for this model. So we go to HP data mining, and there we'll see the HP variable selection, and we click on it and we just run it on the data, and when it has this green sign, that means it ran successfully. Then we go to our graph explorer. We can see that one under explore. We can see that one under explore. See all what we have under explore. See all what we have. So we now go to graph explore. You just drag it like this and drop it. That's how to do. When you drag it and drop it, yes, that is how. But I don't need it now, so I'm going to delete this icon because I don't need it. So I'm deleting it. I just want to show you how to drag and drop there. So when I drag and drop and I run it, this is my graph explorer. Let me quickly show you how the results is after I might have run the graph explorer on it. It's telling me that I have 2,000 rows. That's exploring, and this is how it is. This is it. So my sales price is the target variable, and this is how all my variables are. This will show me how all my variables are, and that is graph explorer. And I'm going to go to data partition. In data partition, if you click on this data partition, you see that I've partitioned my data to 60 training and 40 validation. So the training will be to train the data, to train the model so that it will be familiar with the observation. And now I want to use the remaining 40 to validate. So after that, I'll go to my replacement. And the replacement, I'll do the replacement as how I taught you how to do replacement before. Then the input. Then I go to my transform variables. Then this is the HP regression. This is the regression model, and this model I've chosen to use logistic regression. Here you can choose the type of regression you want. I have chosen logistic regression. If I want linear regression, I'll click on it. But this is a logistic analysis, so I decided to use logistic for it because it's either there is SAS or not. That is what I'm predicting. So that is why I chose that one, and I run it, and when everything has run like that, I've built my model. But for this transform variable, I want us to see how the variables were being transformed. Let's click on result. When you right click on it, then you left click on result. Let's see how the transform variables are. So these are the variables, and these are the original variables as you have seen. See all the original variables. Later I have the computed one. This computed one because this transformation that I chose, the type of transformation I choose, will help me to choose the best transformation I need. And this one chose exponential for this variable. It chose log 10 for this. That is how it chose for me, because look at it. This one chooses square root. It will choose the best transformation